Precision control and reliable connectivity are critical features for concrete boom pump operators. Battery life, weatherproofing, and durability are also key to ensuring your operations run smoothly. Introducing the Aarcomm Belly Pack, an 18-push button, 2 3-axis joystick belly pack with almost unlimited functionality to provide concrete boom pump operators with exceptional proportional control and best-in-class connectivity. Built to withstand the harshest environments, this IP66 rated belly pack remote can handle the toughest conditions. With radio frequency options of 900 MHz or 2.4 GHz and an operating range of over 3,000 feet, it delivers miles of interference-free range for a total and safe control of your boom pump. Plus, with operating temperatures from -40 degrees Celsius to +70 degrees Celsius, it thrives in extreme climates. Aarcomm's belly pack display shows all functions on one screen, providing a straightforward and simple interface that enables operators to focus on what matters most. It is a powerful remote with many features, including optional on-off buttons right on the joysticks for quick access in the event of a plug, and an additional penguin mode that provides the precision of turtle mode and speed of rabbit mode. A best of both worlds feature to aid in day-to-day operations. All this comes in a lightweight, comfortable, and ergonomic design. If you're looking to upgrade your existing belly pack remote to gain precision, performance, and comfort, the Aarcomm Belly Pack is quick to install and uses your existing wiring. Its plug-and-play will get you up and running quickly. Experience the power and precision of the Aarcomm Belly Pack. Contact Aarcomm today.